Polyethylene FlexGuard convoluted tubing, split loom, is designed to provide a flexible, crush-resistant protection for wiring assemblies. The convoluted surface enhances the appearance of your product by providing a uniform tailored finish. The split seam feature allows wires to be inserted easily, eliminating the costly time needed to apply tape, braid or loom. Temperature rating of -40 C, 40 F, to 93 C, 199 F. 7. Featuring piece. Value-priced, high-quality tools, leading the market by ensuring that products are rugged, reliable and reasonably priced. Top reviews from the United States. Works fine. This thing is a plastic hose-like thing that is split all the way down. The theory is that it can combine several cords into a more aesthetic and compact area. However, it also works decently as an anti-chew device. I bought a water fountain for my cat and wanted to ensure that she wouldn't chew on the cord. So I bought and used this to cover the cord and add an extra layer of protection. While it is not metal-based, which would be necessary if you really needed to stop a determined animal from chewing on it, it is sufficient to give me some advanced notice if she did chew the cord. She never did attempt to, so everything was fine.